This is Tyler at Armor Roof Company, and today we're going to show you our metal roof restoration. For a metal roof, prep work is key. So our first step is to hit the roof with a specialized metal cleaner. The next step is often overlooked, but hugely important. The entire roof now is going to get hit with a rust-inhibiting primer. Next, we start the most important steps. Every single seam on the roof is hit with 3 layers: base coat, a high tensile strength fabric, and then another layer of base coat. The next step is to hit every single fastener or nail head with a 30-year caulking compound. At this point, your roof should be leak-free, but we've got a little bit more work to do. Lastly, we'll tie everything in with a bright white acrylic top coat.